What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Project Midwest video. As you can see, I'm not Edwin. It's a little different for me. I don't really stand in front of the camera, but it's just me today. Edwin's very busy, extremely busy. He's got a lot of work to do. One being something to do with the transmission that's going into this girl. So it's just me today. I wasn't here last week. I was in Texas on vacation. It was my spring break. So yeah, today we're going to put that plug in right there, the sensor plug. That'll be torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. And then we're also going to, I'm also going to remove all the fuel lines from the car. All these fuel lines right here. There's 2 fuel lines and I believe 1 respirator, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I have to remove all those fuel lines from the bottom of the car all the way running back to the gas tank. And other than the fuel lines, we also have to drop the support arm or support beam. I don't know what it's called. That right there. I know in the last video, Edwin put the spacers into the support beam, but later realized that he stripped one of the bolts, and I'm pretty sure we stripped the hole of where the bolt went in, so we have to drop it and retap the hole. Yeah, and this is the aftermath of that. As a result of stripping, you can see the bolt is a little stripped. Sorry if I'm a little weird in front of the camera, haven't done it much, so let's get started. This is the cam sensor plug we got. We're gonna install it today. It goes right there, and it's torqued down to 18 foot-pounds, no big deal. Hopefully sooner or later, we'll get that block painted. I don't know when we're gonna do that yet. We still want to get everything fitted, make sure everything fits. We don't want to paint it now and then have to repaint it or touch it up later because we scratched it, hitting something, putting it in the engine bay for fitment. So we're just gonna wait on that. All right, guys, the plug is in. It was just torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. It looks pretty good overall. Didn't struggle too much. It was just went right in. All I had was 1 O-ring for plug and it was good to go. Now comes the fun part, and that's taking out the fuel lines. We have our new replacement fuel line right here. We're gonna go with the 3/8 fuel line, but first we have to get rid of this fuel system, pretty much. Edwin already changed out the fuel pump from the last video, so all we have to do is just remove the lines. I know there's 2 lines going from the front to the back, and then it merges into one single line. Just gotta be careful because both these lines also run together with the brake lines, so we don't want to mess with any of that stuff. Try to show you guys as best as possible. They run all the way back to the fuel pump, the fuel tank back there, and then I believe they merge into one right around that area right there. So should be easy enough, straightforward, just removing lines. All right, quick update on the fuel lines. They are held up by the most annoying pieces of tabs that I've ever seen in my life. These are the tabs. I have all the tabs out. There's like 6 of them, I believe. They're all out right there. But to get these tabs out, there's screws in the floorboards, which obviously I don't feel like taking my whole floorboard out and stuff, all the carpet and all that stuff. So in there, I don't know if you can see here, let me see if I can get you a better shot. In there, you can see the little tabs where the bolts hook up to. You can probably see it better on this side maybe, if it focuses. Yeah, right there, you can see the little tabs where the bolt goes through and it's holding on. So you have to push the tabs out if you don't want to take the bolt out, push them out and pull them down while the fuel lines are fighting you. And then when you're done with that, when you finally pop all of them out, which is annoying because they keep trying to seed, they all keep trying to seed back in. They're working together to keep all the fuel lines in order so they don't shift and bob up and down. So as you pop one out, another one will pop in. So you have to like shift them over and all that jazz. It's a pain in the ass. The only ones that are left are those ones right there, but they're not the same as the ones that are down low. You can see that there are only 3, and I believe these are the 3 lines I have to remove. Fuel lines are out, sitting right in front of me, right here. Both fuel lines out. Honestly, the hardest part were those dumb clips. Those dumb clips put up such a fight that it was just annoying, especially us not having, obviously it lifted here or anything, having to be under there tight, no room to maneuver, but that's the only reason. But it was pretty straightforward, not too bad. This might be a short video. I'm sorry about the 2 short videos in a row, but there's nothing much we could do right now. It's just busy. I have class soon, so I think I'm gonna call it a day with just the fuel lines. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Project Midwest. There should be a link down below to follow us. Also check out the description for updates on or what's coming up in the future. And yeah, like always, thanks, peace. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Fuck me.